I'm Joan Malalu. I've been an artist from time immemorial, but I also do flowers. And this show is in memory of my mother, who taught flowers arranging in all the islands. And this club is the oldest club, 35 years old now. And I'm very pleased that they had it in honor of her.
This one is mine. It has in the sunflower and carnations. And here is a painting that I did in 1990 of a couple who's just enjoying the moonlight. And this is a lamp to show that the normal things have the lamp with it.
I'm particularly proud and happy because this is the first time I've ever done an arrangement this large.
It gives me joy because I just love flowers, and so every time we have to do anything like this, I feel very good about it.
This is the National Young Lady of St. Kitts and Nevis. Proud, elegant, and we want to feel that we could be inspired by our nation and do the best to keep our nation vibrant.
As you see here today, we have some fantastic arrangements. As I walked in here, I was astounded. I really wasn't expecting such a grand show, and it's taken me a long time to walk around and try to make sure that I see everything.
This is an Asian arrangement. The top flower is a spider lily, and the pink ones are miniature carnations in a glass vase, which is standing taller than the other arrangements.
And I just want to join with St. Kitts and Nevis celebrating 45 years of Carnival. So this is representing my Sugar Mass section.
Well, I've known Gary since he was in high school, and we used to be in my art class at Washi High School. And from there we developed a friendship, and he was always interested in flowers. So he came to work with me, and now he has developed one of the biggest flower shops in St. Kitts, which I'm very proud.
I am a new member to the club. Today I've decided to incorporate two of my loves, the love of shoes and the love of flowers. The green shoe here, it's my Christmas theme because this is the season to be festive. It's always the season to give.
I am a founder member of the Floral Club. Started with Mrs. Irma Didier. And today I'm doing a scene from the St. Kitts Golf Course. I played in the earlies but gave it up after a short time. And my husband was very involved with the club and was president at one time. So I really a part of, I was very involved with the tournaments and so on back in the day. So I decided today to do part of the club's the course. All the blooms here are grown in my garden. I'm very proud of that. And I had someone come and help me to cut some of the taller ones that would make it easier for me. So here we are. The crotons and the tree, everything here is out of my garden.
I'm Sylvia Seabrooks, and I'm from Nevis, and I'm a gardener. And I'm very much impressed with the display of flowers arrangement. And I think the Eco Park, along with the St. Kitts floral arrangement, and along with Gary, did a fantastic job.
This is my paradise wedding canopy that I choose to do in a Christmas theme using white flowers with Christmas balls and some red exoras, just to show that we can also do Christmas weddings.
It augurs well for agriculture in St. Kitts, for floral arrangement, as a business, as a hobby, and you know, it really is exciting. It's one of the kind of things that lifts one outlook and gives a lot of hope I think it's a very bright element, a very bright part of agriculture. Just like it's as colorful as the flowers come, and I'm really, really excited. I'm glad I'm here.